Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue using a structure, and we have a reference too for it up there. Instructions are: draw a circle of any size in the middle of the paper, and using a compass is better. And you know, as we are drawing a side face, the center line is not gonna be in the center, and it won't be straight either, it's a curved line this time. Then draw the jaws marking the chin like this. We're gonna need them later. Drawing Goku is actually easy as compared to the new generation anime characters. And like always, mouth is gonna be where the center line is crossing the circle at the bottom. And then mark the nose just a little bit above, and the eyes are also just a little bit above it. You need to extend the line for the eyes backward through the circle like this, and then mark two more lines a bit above like this. They are indicating the eyebrows. Then mark lines like this between these two lines to mark the exact location of the eyes. I can't call them rectangles this time. Then draw an oval on the right side of the circle, and that's ear, you know. Lighten the structure, and now let's start drawing the actual sketch. I'm starting from the eyebrows because these seems to be the easiest one. And just right below the eyebrows are eyes, you know, they look like attached to each other. So it's not difficult to draw them in Goku's case. You don't have to give an almond shape to the eyes either, which is a plus point while drawing. Because of course drawing almond eyes are difficult. And just right below this eyes is nose, you know, it's triangular, which again a plus point. That's why I said drawing Goku is easy. And I think drawing Goku without structure is even more easy, so that's why I'm planning on making a new video tutorial on this same reference but without using this structure and using freehand method. But the thing here is, if you combine both freehand method and the structure, the drawing process becomes even more easy. Like those who never even tried to draw can draw through that method. So I'm gonna try that method out in the next video. So if you wanna draw Goku, then wait for the next video and make sure to watch it. Now I'm drawing the face shape starting from the eye, and just make connections of the facial features to each other and just slowly proceed forward. And if you're here on my channel for the first time, then don't forget to watch till the end and check out the other tutorials. And if you find them easy, then please consider telling me in the comments. And if you want more tutorials like this in the future, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You subscribing to my channel here has two advantages. First, you're gonna get notified every time when I post a new video. And second is, it gives me courage and energy to keep posting such tutorials whenever I see a new subscribers and encouraging comments about my tutorials from you guys. It just gives me motivation to keep going. So after completing the left side, I am going to draw the right eye. And I'm drawing Goku today also because a subscriber asked me to draw his Super Saiyan Blue form, but it was a request for drawing the full body and I was not in position to draw full body right now. So I just decided to draw the face and upper body for now, and I'll make sure to post a full body tutorial too someday soon. I think the way I'm drawing his hair looks super easy, and if you pay attention and look closely, you will find how easy it is.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty.
rough sketch is done, let's remove it a little and then do a neat outline. And for the line art, I'm not using any dark grades. It's the same pencil I was using to draw the rough sketch, and I'm just being a bit careful with the line art. So as I'm finished with the line art, let's do a little bit shading in the face like this. And as it's the Super Saiyan blue, we're gonna keep the shading in the eyes, eyebrows, and the hair light. I'm finally finished with the shading for the easy tutorial, but if you wanna do more, you can go ahead. And for the blending, I'm using this thing here. I'm not sure with the name, maybe an earbud or a cotton bud, whatever. Cotton earbud. Shading is also finished, and let's do my signature in the end. Don't forget to do yours on your sketch, and we are done. Bye, let's meet you in the next video.